Hello everyone, and this is Super Retronica, and I'm gonna do a little bit different video for this time. Oh, sorry. Damn it. Sorry. So I'm gonna do a little bit different video for today. So what I'm gonna do is I gotta show you how to get, well, how to be able to play retro games on a newer TV, pretty much like this, and other HDMI plasma TV screens, because we all know nowadays that playing retro games on your TV doesn't work, and if it works, then the picture is bad and the sound doesn't come out right and all that. I'm gonna test on two console, and all of them works. However, it will work pretty much on any console that has these. Let's see here. These are RV cables, like you see here. So, if you try to connect the cables and so to the TV, it will pretty much not work at all, because the new TV doesn't have the RV output, or RCA cable output. So what you need to do, you need to get this thing here, which is HDMI and power adapter, and on the back it has a SCART. Now, I know for a fact that a lot of YouTubers say that you only need one of these here, where you need this one and that one. I will tell you 100% this doesn't work. Now obviously I'll have output, which is wrong. It should always be input. But even if I did get the input on this, it doesn't work, because you need to have a SCART input, because the signal needs to get in. Oh, the signal needs to get inside this box in order to convert it to HDMI. So let's hook this up. Apologize for the picture, because I'm holding with my mobile phone and I'm recording this myself, so it will be a little bit weird and so. But let's find first of all the HDMI and let's put it inside. Easier said than done. If I can just put it like this and see if we can actually stay on position like that. And I try to tilt it, and you can see basically something like, oh, yeah, try to like position it like this. It doesn't go as good as I wanted, but anyway, I will show you once I'm done plugging into power in the power app and all that. And on the back here, you can see here that I'll plug in the power cable and HDMI. So those are in. Now we want to put this one, the SCART, and on the back you can see you have the RCM cable in correct color position: yellow for yellow, red for red, and white for white. And like I said, I'll input, not output, and then stick it in the back on this one. So if I can just put the phone in position again, so I can just plug it in. I will show you, of course, the end result when I have set in it. Now, this RCA cable right now is Nintendo 64. So we're gonna test with Nintendo 64. You can see all of it is in, and if we turn the TV over, you can see, oh, stupid. Well, it's on the back of my Nintendo 64, you can see there. And we gotta test it with Mario 64. Now, let's hook this up. And you can see, it works, and you see it say AV PAL, which means it has converted from the HDMI to AVA. So it works. All of it works. The picture is there, the color is there, the sound, no lag whatsoever. So you see it comes up nice and colorful, like you normally play on your original console. one thing you will notice though, sometimes the picture can get a little bit blurry and a little bit off shape, but that is because the TV can have a problem of adjusting itself, but normally it shouldn't be any problem on any other consoles. Now, so this is 4. Now let's try this same thing, but this time with PlayStation 2, because those are the only console I have. I'm planning on getting more consoles as well. So let's switch cable, and again I gotta put my phone down like this so I can just switch the cables. Like that, and that. Just remove this one for the moment, and I can just plug in the yellow and the other cables without bending the SCART, because if you're bending the SCART then you gotta have a problem, because then you will not fit at all. So let's try not to bend this stuff. Come on, get in. That's a problem with the RCA cable. Sometimes we are a little bit of a bitch of putting inside because we're so stubborn. Now, same thing again. You can see I switched to PlayStation 4, PlayStation 2 one, and PlayStation 2 is over there. Now let's boot this up and let's see what's happened there. Oh, sorry. And there you go, you see PlayStation 2 as well. And oh, I didn't know I had a game inside. Oh well. Funny, interesting. Oh yeah, and like I say, it's also working with PlayStation 1, because PlayStation 2, PlayStation 1 is convertible or compatible, so it works as well. So it has no problem with PlayStation 1 games either. So that is pretty much all of the video. I just wanted to show you that you need to get that, and it works with any console basically. I don't know if for certain, because I don't have other console to compare with, but I can hardly think that it wouldn't work with other consoles as well. So anyway, that was everything I wanted to show, and I hope you'll find this video interesting. Sorry for the camera view, whatever you want to call it, but I thank you very much for watching this, and hope you find any usefulness, and just like and comment, following whatever you find it. Follow me on Twitter, or check my Discord group, whatever, and all that. And next time we'll actually focus in on gaming. So thank you very much, and well, Susie, you wanna say hello?